Thank you to the people over at CarPass for sending over this product sample of these floor mats for your vehicle. As you can see here, comes with one for your driver's side there, with the pad up there on top with the diamond looking bling on the side there. These do not rip off, which is nice. They're gonna stay right in place, which is awesome. Has the nice anti-slip here in the back, so you can see these up on top here is gonna force it not to move much when you are getting in and out of the vehicle, which is nice. You can vacuum it like you normally would vacuum it. Bat them together to get dirt off like you normally would. Let's take a look at another one here. So this is for your passenger side. As you can see, I drive a Lincoln, and this fits just nicely in my my Lincoln, so it works out very well to have these in there. And then you have your back seat ones as well here and here, which is very nice. Again, it is super slick, this back part here that is the anti-slip, so it's not going to be moving every which way. And then again, these are, the bling is on there very nicely to where they do not fall off or rip off or anything like that. But definitely excited for this product, excited to get them installed in my my vehicle. But if you are in the market for some new floor mats, would definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Again, thank you. Looks like my cat got in the video there. Again, thank you to CarPass for sending over this product sample of their floor mats. Thanks. All right, so this is the car mats installed. As you can see, I need to vacuum a little bit in here, but you can see it matches with the black that is in my vehicle. Again, it's not moving all over the place, staying exactly where it is, which is nice. Come up here to the front passenger. Looks very nice, fits perfectly in there. Again, it's not moving all over the place, which is awesome. And then finally, over on the driver's side. So if you are interested in new car mats, I would definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Thanks.